Hello, my friend, Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and I am so excited to share this extra add-on items to our In My Book collection. So chances are you already know that our club set is In My Book with the dies that match. But if you know me at all, you know I can never stop with the 4x6 stamp set and one die set. I go nuts. I had to add to this collection. So I've added quite a few different things. Number one, I added more books, of course, right? So here we have a stack of books with flowers on it, a large stamp of books with a little coffee cup at the top, two little hearts, well, one heart and then one that says I love reading. I thought this heart would be perfect on the coffee mug, just a heads up. Fueled by books and coffee, bookmarks are tiny hugs, sending you a whole library of hugs. Keep turning the page, better days are just ahead. Love it. And I have fun samples to share with you. Then, of course, yes, there are dies that match because hello, that's how things work. Then there is a stamp set just in general. So get all of them because you'll definitely want to complete your collection. But here we go. I'm going to have to read them like this. There are so many. Every chapter has its challenges. ... For the inside, your happy ending is coming, or your story keeps getting better. Write your own plot twist. Your next chapter awaits. Bookmark this moment. You did it. Take it one page at a time. You're the author of the next chapter. Better days are just ahead. Get well soon. You're the highlight of my story. Keep turning the page. You've got this. You're a classic. And stack up the smiles today. So lots of fun puns, but also the best part about these is they're good for the inside of a card. They're good for the outside of the card and the inside of the card. So you can mix and match them. So that is also available for the collection. Then we have this die, and I always know that it doesn't look like much in the die package itself. So let me show it to you. Look at what this die does. Isn't that awesome? It fills up an entire A2 card front. And it's another little kitty cat. Look at that little kitty cat just cuddled up on that bookshelf. And I love how it just cuts it all out like that. Isn't that fun? So that is also available to add onto your collection. And last but not least, there are two stencils that go with both stamp sets. So this stencil set goes with the club set and it goes with the add-on set. So it goes with both of them and it's a 2-pack stencil set. Now let's jump in and look at all the samples because you always know my design team is amazing, right? So here we go. Here's a cute one with that little kitty cat. Now here is a fun one. Just die cut it, glue, and go. Look how simple that is. Isn't that fun? I love that. Oh my goodness, look at this cute little kitty cat sitting on top of those books. I love it. Look at that stack of books. Now, you're looking at that going, oh, that's a lot of coloring. No, it's not. No, it's not. Remember, there's a stencil for that. Just saying. Now, look how cute this one is. Make your own background cardstock with all of the fun words and add something on the front. I love that. There's even something on the inside. Now, look how cute, those cute little mini books. I love it. Ooh, look at this kitty cat. This kitty cat is loving books. I love all those books everywhere. And look how, oh, kitty cat on the inside even. Here's another cute one. Ooh, make that coffee mug a border in itself. Isn't that fun? I love that. And you also, in the die set, you also get the little heart die as well. Isn't that cute? I love that. Oh, here's a cute one. Everything's just all on there, right? I love it. Oh, look at this one. Use our mug, fold it. Use our mug, fold it. I love that. Isn't that cute? That is so adorable. Here's that background die again. Look at how awesome that background die is. It's so much fun. It's so much fun designing. Where should the books go side to side? You know, things like that. Ooh, I love this one. Bookmarks are tiny hugs. But wait, there's more, my friends, because look at this. This is a bookmark. What? Remember, this is our shaped bookmarks that can go in a book. I have these all over my Bible because they are so perfect. See how it can be a bookmark? And look. It's like a big paper clip. So you can go this way. So watch, let me show you. We have these on our website. They're a couple different shapes. Oops, hang on. There we go. So you can go that way or you can turn it and you can go that way. So you can read the inside or outside. Isn't that fun? And put it on your card and then boom, that's part of your card. Isn't that awesome? Here's another cute one. Oh, look at that. Turning it into a fold it. Isn't that awesome? And then last but not least, yes, of course, we need some bookmarks, right? There you go. There's a cute bookmark. Now, my friends, This add-on collection, for a very limited time, we have put it all together, and you can get the whole kit all together, the add-on items, on our website at a special price. Or you can buy the items separately. But let me just tell you, the first 24 hours these items are on our website, they're on flash sale. That means you save even more. Even if you're a club member, you get an extra discount. So go check it out, thestampsoflife.com. I'll see you there. Bye-bye. Thanks so much for watching this video. You know what? If you would like to see more inspiration, I need you to click that little button there. If you want to visit our website, click right here. And if you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel, make sure you click right here because you know what? You're not going to want to miss a thing. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.